Did you know you can level up your pasta game with a grill? It only takes 15 minutes to grill the chicken and turn it into a delicious pasta night. Let's make it. Start with a couple chicken sausage links diced into 2-inch chunks. Then dice up 3 chicken breasts into 2 to 3 inch pieces. I love the flavor the little edges get when they grill on the kebab sticks, so don't even worry if they're not exactly all squares. Drizzle with a couple teaspoons of olive oil, a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and season with garlic salt and parsley. Mix it all together until everything's well coated in that flavorful marinade. Load it up on your favorite kebab skewers. Grill your Italian chicken kebabs over high heat about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And mine always cook up so fast. These were ready in under 15 minutes. I just made sure to keep turning them every 3 to 4 minutes so they seared nicely on each side. Pop these off the grill when the internal temp reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I love to serve these over some homemade pasta sauce, loaded up with some mozzarella, basil, the kebabs, and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I know you're gonna love this recipe. Let me know when you try it. And don't forget to get on my Foodie Fridays email list so you're the first to know when more yummy things come out. This grilled pasta dish turns out so delicious.